How to change language on X Twitter app. To change language on X Twitter app, you'll need to follow these simple steps. But before that, update your application. Go to Play Store or App Store and on the search box type in Twitter X. And here, see whether the application needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated, click the open button and log into your Twitter X. When you're logged in, that will take you to this page. Here, click the profile from the top left hand side. Go to Settings and Support at the bottom of the page. Once again, click on Settings and Privacy. Then you want to scroll down a bit, go to Accessibility, Display and Languages. Next, you want to go to Language and you want to go ahead and select Preferred Language. You want to go ahead and select Other Languages. After which you do it so, you could find languages. However, if you want more option, click on Show More. And if you want a particular language, you go ahead and make sure to mark on it and click on the Done button. With that, you'll have successfully changed language on X app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.